How to recover recently deleted files from iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover recently deleted files from iPhone. First, open the Files app on your phone. To delete, long tap on the file and select Delete in the pop-up options. If you want to recover it, go to the Browse folder at the bottom. Then tap Browse in the top left corner. Scroll down and select the Recently Deleted option. Now, long tap on it to open the menu. Next, select Recover and it will be moved back to your device. You can recover more files from this folder. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.